magic line 2. I think we gotta close the door. This one has 3 functions inside. One is the high frequency the electrotherapy, so it creating the heating effect deep inside the muscle, and then that increases blood circulation. Second one is red light, so that also has a little effect. And then third one, suction effect. It has a suction effect, and I'm just moving around a little, break up some adhesions between the upper layers and lower layers. It makes a little myofascial release. So I'm gonna start using the machine. It's gonna be a little. You're gonna feel a little bit warm, yeah. And then the suction effect. Tight area is gonna be a little achy, more sensitive. It's easier for somebody who has more muscles.